Animation is a lot of fun, but did you know that you can make an animation using Google Slides? Once you are signed into your Google account, click the plus sign to create a Google Slides project. A good place to start is by giving your project a name or a title. I'm going to name this project Animation. Next, I'm going to click and Control A and delete everything that's on this slide. You can change the background color if you'd like, but I am going to go right to the shapes and pick a circle and then click and draw my circle right about here. Now you can change the color of the circle, the fill inside the color, and you can also change the border color. I'm going to change the thickness of the line around this circle as well. Now for my animation, I'm going to start the circle on the left side. I'm using the red line that shows up, that kind of shows me where the center of the slide is. Then right click on the side and duplicate the slide. Then click on the circle. I'm going to move it a little bit because animation is really good when you have little changes between your frames, or in this case between your slides. Again, move the circle a little bit and then right click and press duplicate. Move it a little bit, right click and duplicate just to make a copy of it. Move it, right click, duplicate. There is another way. Instead of right clicking and duplicating, if you press Control D, your slide will duplicate as well. So you just have to click on the slide and then press Control D and it will make another copy of that slide, and then you can move your circle again. So just click it, Control D or duplicate, and move your circle around. And just keep going until you have your animation kind of ready. And remember, every slide in this project is going to be a frame in this animation. If you accidentally click on your shape and click Control D, well, then it will make another copy. So I'm going to press Control Z to step back and delete that mistake I made. You can use the arrow key as well to move stuff in your frames, but I am ready to go. All I have to do now is export every single frame. I'm going to download as a JPEG the first frame. Click on the second frame, click File, Download, JPEG. And the next frame, File, Download, and again a JPEG or an image. And you'll see that the images are showing up on the bottom of the screen as you download them. Now I have to do this for every slide in this project. I have to download every single slide because these are going to be the frames in my animation. So again, File, Download, click on the next one, File, Download, JPEG, and just keep going until you have all of the frames or slides downloaded. Now that I have the last slide downloaded, I'm going to open up a new tab and go to gifmaker.me. One way to do this is to click on the rocket ship on the Media Center website and put in the password 109. Once you're on the Gif Maker website, click where it says Upload Images, and then you will have to find the images that you have just downloaded. I'm going to click on the first image and then hold down the Shift button and click on the last image, so it will select all of the images that I want for this animation. Then click Open, and each image will be uploaded, and then I can see a preview on the right hand side. This animation looks pretty good. I can change the size of it, but I'm going to leave it right where it's at. You can change the speed of your animation if you would like, and it's 1000 milliseconds in a second. The smaller the number for milliseconds, the faster it's going to go. I'm going to have mine go at about 200. So that's 5 times every second the frames will change. When you are done, click Create GIF Animation. And then you can click Download the GIF. And the new GIF image, the animation will be downloaded. And from here, you can do lots of things with it. I am going to upload this new animated GIF to my Google Drive account by clicking the plus sign, clicking upload, and I'm going to find the GIF right here and click open. And now the GIF will get uploaded into my Google Drive account so that I can keep it forever. Here it is. If you click this little folder, it will show you where the GIF is located in the Google Drive. I'm going to right click and rename it to give it a good name so that I can find it again easily. And let me click on it to see if it's working in my Google Drive. I'm just going to double click real quick. And here it is. It looks pretty good. I like it. Don't forget to sign out of your Google account when you were done. Another thing that you can do is go to your classroom wall and publish your animation. So as soon as I find my classroom wall, I'm going to press the plus sign and I'm going to click on the arrow pointing up, which means to upload. I'm going to pick the file that I want to upload. Now you could drag and drop it onto the wall as well, but I'm just going to find it this way. Click open, and here is my animation. I'm just going to write my name and my sentence or title, and I'm done. I've published my animation on the classroom wall for everyone to see.